Imagine running a YouTube channel that grows on autopilot, without filming, without editing for hours, and without burning out. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in this video, I'm breaking down my exact AI-powered YouTube automation workflow, step by step. From script writing to video creation, I'll show you how I use AI to streamline everything, saving time while making money. If you're ready to take your YouTube business to the next level, keep watching. This video could be a game changer for you. The most important thing is coming up with a topic that will attract people. For my topic selection, I first try to find videos that perform well on competitor channels. I use two methods for this. The first method is manual, and the second involves using an AI tool. Manual method. I go to a competitor's channel page and look at how many views their videos are getting on average. I try to select topics that have views above this average. For example, this video has 378,000 views. This one has 257,000. And as I scroll further, this video has 298,000 views. I see that these videos are getting significantly more views than average. I check what these high-view videos are about. They often talk about time-saving AI tools, showcasing various AI tools, or demonstrating how to work with cinematic AI. In summary, videos that analyze different AI tools together tend to get above-average views. The second method, I use the vidIQ AI tool, which is installed on my computer. I am leaving the link in the description. Now, let's go to another channel to show how I use it. Once you integrate this tool with your YouTube account, you'll see small numbers under the videos. These numbers indicate how well the video has performed compared to the average. For example, this video has performed 4 times better than average, this one about 8 times, and I just look at these numbers. For instance, a video that performed 5 times better introduced the Clink tool, while an 8 times better performing video was about the consistent character concept. As I keep looking, there's another video that performed 5 times better, again related to consistent character. So we can say that videos about consistent character have performed 5 times better on average. For instance, let's choose the title Consistent Character for this video. You can also manually visit competitor channels or use the vidIQ tool to get inspiration from the titles of high-performing videos to choose your topic for your next video. A great topic is important, but without a compelling hook, no one will stick around to watch. Now, to create a hook I like, I'll take inspiration from another hook. For example, I come to this channel and notice that a particular video has a lot of views. I keep going and see something else that doesn't have many views. I'll examine the intros of both and take note of what they used in their hook sections. By watching them, I'll draw inspiration from these two hooks and craft my own. After observing the other hooks, I write a short hook outline for myself. Then, I give this outline to ChatGPT and ask it to prepare a hook for me. As a reminder, a 150-word voiceover is roughly equivalent to a 1-minute video. Alright, we've captured the viewer's attention. Now, how do we provide them with real value? I will create a how-to list for myself to follow. As you can see here, I will use this list to record step-by-step how-to screens. For example, I check what the first step is, follow the instructions for my character, and record each step one by one. To do this, I use my computer's built-in recording tool. At the same time, while recording the screen, I use an app called Speech Notes. This app transcribes speech into text in any language. Then, I refine the transcribed text with ChatGPT and translate it into English. Later, I use another application to convert these texts I've written into speech. The program I use is called Levin Labs. I've left the link below. As you can see, it allows you to choose from a variety of different options. It's also very easy to use. This is how I generate the audio for all the screens. We have all our assets, but now we need to bring them together on a canvas. In another video, I'll show you how I handle the editing process. The most important thing here is to ensure we bring all our assets here completely, meaning all our visuals, audio, everything, and then combine them. There are two key elements to this. The first is the intro, and the second is the rest of it. I can say that I keep the intro separate from the rest. As you can see, I use very short scenes. Later on, you'll see these screen recordings. If they were much longer, say 30-second scenes, it'd be different. So, the most crucial part is using very short, snappy, second-long videos in the intro to visually hook the audience. Beyond that, there's a lot to say about editing. But the point I want to emphasize is this. The intro has short scenes. What comes after isn't as critical, or rather, you can use longer scenes in the later parts. Music is just as important as the content because good music can keep the audience engaged. Or, in other words, bad music can bore them and make them abandon the video. To tackle this, I use the following tactic. I play with the tempo like a disco DJ, raising and lowering it. For the intro, I use more upbeat tracks, then I slow the tempo down and later pick it up again. For example, let's check out some options for the intro. This sounds nice, it works well. Now, for the next part, I'll go with something slower. Let's search for Lo-fi. Here's one to check out. Yes, this looks pretty good. So, by alternating between slow and fast tracks like this, I download the music to my computer and then combine it with the video I've prepared. After preparing my video, I create a description file for it. Since I typically use the same description template for my videos, I copy it directly from my previous video. I then edit the necessary parts to match the new video and save it. That's how I prepare my videos. If you found the video helpful, I'd be thrilled if you left a comment. The comments you leave motivate me to create more content like this, allowing more people to benefit from it. In my next video, you can watch how to create kids videos using AI.